It's October 2nd, and somewhere right now, your future customers are already Christmas shopping. Yep, you heard that right. While most sellers are still debating whether it's too early, the smart ones, they're already cashing in. See, here's where Pod changes everything. You're not gambling on inventory. You're not stuck with 200 ugly sweaters nobody wanted. You create the design, they buy it. GearLaunch prints and ships it. Done. Plus, people are obsessed with personalized gifts right now. They want stuff that says I actually thought about you, not generic department store basics. That's your playground. What's flying off the shelves? First up, cozy wearables are absolute monsters. We're talking holiday hoodies, sweatshirts, matching family tees. People want to feel festive without going full tacky sweater mode. Think matching family sets. Funny phrases like Christmas calories don't count, cozy winter vibes. These sell like crazy because everyone needs something comfortable for those endless holiday gatherings. Next, home decor. Throw pillows that say ho ho home, mugs for every personality type, canvas prints that transform boring walls into winter wonderlands. Here's the thing, these are affordable, they photograph beautifully for social media, and they make perfect gifts when someone has no idea what to buy. Easy win. And don't sleep on the sentimental stuff, ornaments for first Christmas together, personalized phone cases, cute tote bags, these become keepsakes people treasure for years. Let's talk about designs for a second. The stuff that actually sells isn't generic clip art garbage. It's designed with personality, hand-drawn vibes, clever typography, colors that feel fresh. But here's critical, use GearLaunch's templates, high-resolution files, proper bleed zones, colors that actually print right. A blurry design kills sales faster than anything. Okay, products are ready. Now people need to actually see them. And starting in October isn't early, it's exactly on time. Social media is your 24/7 sales machine. Instagram and Facebook for beautiful lifestyle shots. TikTok for quick, authentic content. Show your design process, create gift guides, be real. And Pinterest, criminally underrated. People literally use it to plan holidays and save gift ideas. Every product should have a pin. Build an email list and work it smart. Sneak peeks in early October. Gentle urgency by late November. Clear shipping deadlines in December. Give value, not just buy now spam. Here's the beautiful part about print-on-demand, zero inventory nightmares. You're not stuck with boxes of stuff after Christmas. You can test 10 designs, see what hits, scale what works, and never touch a single product. One more thing, holiday shoppers are stressed, so killer customer service makes you unforgettable. Quick responses, clear policies, honest communication about shipping times. Be proactive. If something's delayed, tell them immediately. Most people are cool if you're just honest. Look, the customers are already out there shopping. The question is whether they're gonna find you or your competition. You've got the tools. GearLaunch has the infrastructure. Now you just need to build your collection and start pushing it out there. Early October isn't too early, it's your competitive advantage.